Good morning, John Gilkison here. Yesterday was April 1st, and so we went out to buy a tap light for our EVSE. So one of the problems we have is in the dark, if you get out of the car in the garage and you can't turn on the overhead lights easily here. And you want to, it's hard to find where you can plug in the car. And also, it can be hard to find out where you can hang up the charger also in the dark. So one of the ways I've had to do that in the dark is that there's actually lights underneath the mirror, so you leave the door open in the dark, and that provides enough light for you to do all that, but it can be a little awkward. So I wanted to put a tap light up, which illuminates the outlet, and it's easy to use, and you don't use it that much, so it's not a big deal. It takes some batteries. At the same time, I wanted to eliminate all the confusion over which octane you were putting in your vehicle. We're on plug share, so I wouldn't want people to come here that needed 91 octane or premium electricity and plug in and then be unhappy because they got the wrong grade of electricity. So we've clarified what octane of electricity we're providing for people. So that's it. I think it's kind of a fun thing, and it really looks cool in the dark too. So that's all I got for you today. Hope you enjoyed. See you down the road, everybody.